start, and we've got 1 minute to go.
I won! Where you go, bro? Huh? Shoot this, brother! Hey! Get on there! Get on there! What you doing, huh? I ain't reaching you!
We got some business to test to. KSI, right here. Speech.
I just got absolutely white. Live.
What happened?
He's doing combos. What do you want me to do? The game just came out.
How are you doing combos?
Bro, like I said, I played fighting games before, so this was easy to me. This was light work for me. It's like another day in the office. I sat this boy down and taught him a lesson. A big lesson.
You feel like you learned a lesson out of this week?
At the end of the day, KSI does not take off this bandana. At the end of the day, you don't got eyebrows, and at the end of the day, you still trash. So it don't even matter. You still trash at the end of the day.
It's it. Crown him. Sorry.
Why do I have to crown him? Why can't he get it his own self?
Step back. This is it. KSI's moment to end it.
I can't take this guy serious.
Crown me, brother.
Huh?
Crown me.
Crown you?
Yeah.
Yo, I'm not crowning him. Y'all really want me to crown him? I'm not crowning you, bro.
There it is. One more time, we're going to make some noise for KSI. The Battle Fury City of Wolves. Champion! Right, before I let you guys go, there's two more last questions. Number one, Speed, how good is this game?
It's good. I just need more practice, man. I was getting the hang of it, but I can't get the hang of it from playing two games. You should have played best of 5, but it is what it is.
That's how you like it?
No, it's not connected. Check it on your end.
I love it! I love this game! I love this game, baby. Fatal Fury, your winner, KSI!
Come on, make some noise! That's the one! You might do your best to event tomorrow night. Tottenham, who's taking it?
Hold
No, who's winning the big boxing match tomorrow night?
I got my man Chris now.
I'm gonna say Christian back as well.
Alright, let's just throw through the speed. But give it up the speed! And let's end with a shot this time. The champion, Fatal Fury, City of Wolves, is the one and only KSI.